Another thing that you can do is to have titles at the beginning and at the end. So I'm going to move the file back to the beginning here now, the playhead back to the beginning, and you can do that from here or you can do that from here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and add some titles at the beginning. I can click on the More button here. We've got various ones that are open to us, but if they're not there, we can click on that, and we're going to put title clips, and we're going to click on title clips, and we're going to add title clip, and we'll just give it a title. Now, when you work with title clips, you can make sure that you've got a certain color for the written work, and you can make sure that you've got a different color as your fill color, so you can choose to have a different kind of fill color. And then all you need to do is to click, and I'll just click onto the black, into the area here, and then write, this is your title. That will be your title, and then you simply will notice that an area has been, your video will now be pushed. Now if I just move that a little bit higher, you can see you can actually come in now, and if you want to make that title longer, you can actually kind of drag it out and make it longer and longer and longer, or shorter and shorter and shorter. You can also do this by just simply right clicking over it and just setting the title duration to be a certain period of time. So if you wanted it to be 3 seconds, click OK, and you've now got a title at the beginning of the video. And if we play that now, you'll see that the title will play for a few seconds, and then you'll come in to the video. Now you could do the same as well again at the end of the video if you wanted to as well. So again, moving the cursor to the end of the video. Okay, if you wanted to add another title clip in, so just click on title clips and add title clip, and it will add it straight after wherever your cursor is, wherever the playhead is. Now, obviously the most obvious places to have titles is at the beginning, at the end. Again, there are advanced features. You could, for example, include an image. So if you clicked here and opened up your computer now and chose an image, you could have an image at the beginning or at the end. I wouldn't encourage you to do that unless you really want it to be, labeled for a particular organization or company. Then it would be a really good thing to do that. Generally, obviously, one thing to keep in mind is the more multimedia you use and images, etc., the bigger the file becomes. But if you wanted to, you can click here, open up an image from your computer, and that image would then be the background to the title.